Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan of Pran Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Budhiya Ram Ji.
दुष्करण्यापि कार्याणि सिद्ध्यन्ते प्रोद्यमेन वै याति शीलापि तनुतां प्रपातेन अर्णसो परिश्रम से कठिन कार्य भी सिद्ध हो जाते हैं। बार बार पानी गिरने से पत्थर भी पतले हो जाते हैं। अमृत वचन। सफलता तभी मिलती है जब आपके सपने आपके डर से बड़े हो जाते हैं। भारत माता की जय।
Let's have a look at the headlines of the past week. For the development of Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Haryal, Mahajan family will give financial assistance of Rs 50 lakh to Sarvatkari Shiksha Samiti. Vidya Bharati North Zone Sangathan Mantri Shri Vijay Nadda ji's stay at Johal Vidya Mandir completed. Resolution taken to give proper place to Hindi in all Vidya Mandirs. Alumni Council meeting held in Barnala in Chandigarh. Swachhata Pakhwada celebrated in Sharda Sarvatkari, Chandigarh. Parents' Day organized at Keshav Vidya Niketan, Jalandhar for the welfare of all. Democracy Day celebrated in Amritsar while Kanya Bharati was performed in Morinda. Teachers of Sharda Sarvatkari, Chandigarh and Madhav Vidya Niketan, Amritsar outshined in the subject proficiency test of Sarvatkari. On Ozone Day, students were made aware of environmental protection. Seminar on new education policy concluded in Dinanagar, in which 60 teachers from 15 schools participated. Van Mahotsav celebrated at Vikrant Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir, Dera Baba Nanak. Now the news in detail. For the construction of Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Haryal, the patron of Vidya Mandir, Shri Jagdish Mahajan and his wife has announced the financial assistance of Rs 50 lakh. On this occasion, a special meeting was held with the Sangathan Mantri of Vidya Bharati North Zone, Shri Vijay Nadda ji, Vidya Mandir in charge, Shri Dilawar Singh ji, and manager, Shri Man Singh ji, in which the infrastructure of school was discussed openly. After this discussion, realizing the need of school, Shri Jagdish Mahajan expressed his desire to give financial assistance of Rs 50 lakh to the school. He was also honoured on 15 September at Vidya Dham, Jalandhar. Shri Vijay Nadda ji made a surprise visit to the Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir, Johal. The principal of school, Shri Joginder Singh ji, made Nadda ji visit the school. A meeting was also held with the head of the management committee, Shri Karam Singh, and senior member Shri Iqbal Singh. In the meeting, aspects of development of school and problems being faced were discussed. Some problems were also resolved on the spot. Pran Prashikshan Pramukh Shri Vikram Samyal, Vibhag Sachiv Shri Bhanu Pratap and Sangh Jila Karyawah Shri Sandeep ji were also present on this occasion. Hindi Divas was celebrated with enthusiasm in all the schools on 14 September. Students and teachers participated in many programs on this occasion. Hindi essay writing competition was organized for the teachers, while the students wrote very beautiful slogans and wrote short poems showing their love for the Hindi language. On this occasion, students and teachers took a pledge to give proper place to Hindi.
नमस्कार, मैं 8वीं कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको हिंदी दिवस पर एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है जन जन की भाषा है हिंदी। जन जन की भाषा है हिंदी, भारत की आशा है हिंदी। जन जन की भाषा है हिंदी, भारत की आशा है हिंदी। जिसने पूरे देश को जोड़े रखा है वह मजबूत धागा है हिंदी। जिसने पूरे देश को जोड़े रखा है वह मजबूत धागा है हिंदी। हिंदुस्तान की गौरव गाथा है हिंदी, एकता की अनुपम परंपरा है हिंदी। हिंदुस्तान की गौरव गाथा है हिंदी, एकता की अनुपम परंपरा है हिंदी। जिसके बिना हिंद थम जाए ऐसी जीवन रेखा है हिंदी। जिसके बिना हिंद थम जाए ऐसी जीवन रेखा है हिंदी। जिसने काल को जीत लिया है ऐसी कालजयी भाषा है हिंदी। जिसने काल को जीत लिया है ऐसी कालजयी भाषा है हिंदी। सरल शब्दों में कहा जाए तो जीवन की परिभाषा है हिंदी। सरल शब्दों में कहा जाए तो जीवन की परिभाषा है हिंदी।
नमस्कार, मैं 9वीं कक्षा की छात्रों में हिंदी दिवस के अवसर पर आप सभी के सामने अपने विचार प्रकट करना चाहती हूँ। भारत दुनिया में सबसे विविध संस्कृतियों वाला देश है। धर्म, परंपराओं और भाषा में इसकी विविधता के साथ लोग एकता में विश्वास रखते हैं। हिंदी भारत की सबसे प्रमुख भाषा है। दुनिया में हिंदी भाषा चौथी सबसे अधिक बोली जाने वाली भाषा है, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा हिंदी भाषा बोली पर लिखी व पढ़ी जाती है। वर्ष 1949 में हिंदी भाषा को हमारे देश में सर्वोच्च दर्जा प्राप्त हुआ है और तब से हिंदी को हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा माना जाता है। हिंदी दिवस पर पूरे भारत में उत्साह और गौरव के साथ मनाया जाता है।
Alumni are a real asset, says the Prantiya Purv Chhatra Parishad Pramukh Shri Sandeep. Recently, the alumni meeting of Barnala Vidya Mandir and Chandigarh Sankul was concluded. In Barnala's meeting, Sandeep ji said these words while guiding all, whereas the upcoming plans were discussed in the alumni meeting of Chandigarh cluster. Swachhata Pakhwada was celebrated at Sharda Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Chandigarh from 1st to 15th September, in which all the students took the pledge of cleanliness. During this, the students were explained the importance of cleanliness of their body along with the environment. Poster making competition was also organized on this occasion, in which Nandini of class 10th got first while Kanvi and Tisha got second and third positions respectively. Parents' Day was organized on 16th of September at Sarvatkari Keshav Vidya Niketan Jalandhar. Teachers motivated the students and parents who came to take the online examination and told about following the instructions related to COVID. There was also positive cooperation from the parents. They also kept all the subjects related to children in front of the teachers. Kanya Bharati was formed on 16th of September at Swami Shivanand Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Morinda, in which Discipline Minister, Virandana Minister, Decoration Minister, Sanitation Minister, Vehicle Minister, Education Minister and Environment Minister from 9th to 12th classes etc. were given responsibilities. Its purpose is to make children understand their work towards the society and fulfill the given work by staying in discipline. Similarly, Democracy Day was celebrated at Madhav Vidya Niketan, Amritsar, in which the importance of democracy was explained to the students through PPT. Mrs. Ritika Sharma, the teacher of Madhan Vidya Niketan Senior Secondary School, grabbed first position at Prant level in PGT Biology in the exam conducted by the Sarvatkari Shiksha Samiti for the subject proficiency of teachers, and Mrs. Renu got second position in PGT Mathematics subject. Similarly, Rajesh Sharma, Indrajit Kaur, Radha Sharma, Mamta, Rashmi Verma, Renu Nagar of Sharda Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Chandigarh secured first position in various subjects. Various programs were organized in all Sarvatkari schools to make the students aware of environmental protection on the occasion of Ozone Day. Special news has been received from Prakashvati Vidya Mandir Jalandhar, Sharda Sarvatkari Chandigarh, Dhyanand Public School Nabha and Ram Darbar Vidya Mandir Chandigarh. On this occasion, students participated in activities like making posters and making slogans showing the importance of ozone layer and how we can preserve the layer. A seminar was organized on the basic principles and implementation of the new education policy at Sumitra Devi C Senior Secondary, Dinanagar. In the seminar, Vice Chancellor of Central University Dharamshala, Professor Satprakash Bansalji, Sangathan Mantri of Vidya Bharati North Zone, Shri Vijay Nadda ji was present as keynote speakers. 60 teachers from 15 schools participated in the seminar. The program was inaugurated by Vikram Samyal ji. One Mahotsav was celebrated at Vikrant Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Dera Baba Nanak, in which chief guest Forest Guard Mr. Rakesh Dogram motivated the children to plant more saplings and explained the benefits for the environment due to it. Later, by the committee of the school, sovereigns were presented to the visiting dignitaries. Let us now see one news, one photo. Akshita of 40D Chandigarh got third place in the competition in Shri Ram Kavya Path national competition organized by National Jagran Dharam Hamara. Kalpana Sharma of 43B Chandigarh received the National Builder Award by Rotary India Literacy Mission. Foundation stone laid for the third floor building of Bhikhi Vidya Mandir CBSE. Sanjog International Guru Nanak Dev Sabha Society honoured 5 teachers including the principal of Madhav Vidya Niketan. Interesting activity conducted for the children of Shishu Vatika of Shri Surendra Kumar Gupta Vidya Mandir, Shri Muksar Sahib. The stay of the head of department Shri Ashok Kumarji concluded in the Sanskar Kendras running in Kamano. Jaito Vidya Mandir's executive member Shri Manoj Goyalji presented Rs 11,000 to the school. Manager of Taragad Vidya Mandir Ratan Singh Ji and Sandhya Rani Ji presented 1 fan each to school. Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla got NCC approval of the Boys Girls Wing. Coronation by online Rashtra Sevika Samiti in Ram Darbar Vidya Mandir. Yuva Mata Jagran workshop organized to protect against the third wave of corona, in which the required material was provided to the school by Needy People Help Group Sujanpur. One day Shishu Vatika workshop of Sangrur department concluded in Sunam. Now, presenting under our Vidya Mandir series, a beautiful presentation of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Yoga.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है।
हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है।
Now, a presentation of Shishu Vatika. That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind. That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.